scribe tool, and I just took a normal, any piece of wood will work, but this is a paint stir. Put a point on it, 45 and a 45 the opposite way. I'm going to drill a hole about an inch in, put this pin in there so I can scribe out the pieces of wood that I'm cutting to the radius of the Airstream, and I'll show you what that looks like.
So this is the scribe tool that I was talking about, and I'm hoping that I have enough clearance because we have a radius here too. So basically what we're looking at is I made this cut straight. It's a straight cut, and I have to follow the radius along this wall to get the radius marked on this board. So I make sure that it's square to the bottom, it's back as far as it can go, and I just want to run this along the wall where I'm making that's requiring the radius. And it should mark out a fairly decent line for me, and at least maybe you can see that. So now at least I kind of have an idea, and I can bring this in, cut most of it off, sand it in, you know, and then caulk it as need be. So just wanted to share that with you. It's a handy little tool to have. This pin may have been a little bit long for the radius walls, but if you got plenty of room to work, this would be perfectly fine.
Hope you enjoyed that footage. What I was basically doing there was mixing up some mortar to level the shower tub out, because I had to sort of overhang the bottom front facing cabinet to hide the lip of the shower. Basically it's supposed to have shower walls there, but I just overhung the shower pan with the front face of the cabinet that I just made. And I basically used 2.5 inch pine on that. I wanted to use maple, but I could not find any locally, so it'll do just fine. It's a select grade, so it's really nice condition. It's sanded, no knots, it's choice pick. So basically what I did there was use the Craig jig again to make pocket holes, and glued and clamped down all the seams nice and tight, squared it up, and then put the Craig screws in. So I have not test fitted yet. I'm waiting for the glue to dry, and figured I'd take a break. It's been working for a couple hours on that. So, and I also wanted to stay off of the shower pan for a little bit and let that mortar set up as best as possible. And the seam pretty level with all my measurements. I didn't go off a level because obviously the Airstream, I don't know if it's level, if the driveway's level, whatever. So basically that's what I did there. So I'll show you the finished product and how the front face of the cabinet lines up. We'll see it together.